JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages widely used in web development. It is used to add interactivity to web pages and is considered a high-level, easy-to-learn programming language. Here are the basics of JavaScript. 1. Variables. Variables are used to store data. A variable can be declared using the keywords var, let, or const. Example, var name equals John, let age equals 30, const country equals USA. 2. Data types. JavaScript supports different data types: string, text, number, numbers, Boolean, logical values, true/false, array, arrays to store a collection of values, object, objects to store key value pairs. Example, let is active equals true, let scores equals 90, 80, 70, let person equals first name, John, last name, Doe 3. Functions. Functions are used to execute a block of code. They can be defined using the function keyword. Example, function greet, name, return, hello, plus name. Console.log, greet, Alice, 4. Loops. Loops are used to execute a block of code multiple times. Types of loops include for, while, do, while. Example, for, let I equals 0, I less than 5, I++, console.log, I, 5. Conditional statements, used to perform different actions based on conditions. Example, let number equals 10. If numbered 5, console.log, number is greater than 5. Else console.log, number is 5 or less. 6. Events, used to interact with the user. For example, executing a function when a button is clicked. Example, document.getElementById, myButton, .onClick equals function, alert, button clicked. 7. Object-oriented programming, OOP. JavaScript supports OOP, which allows defining objects and using inheritance. Example, class car, constructor, brand, model, this.brand equals brand, this.model equals model. Drive, console.log, driving plus this.brand plus this.model. Let my car equals new car, Toyota, Corolla, mycar.drive, 8. DOM, document object model, manipulation. DOM is an API that allows interaction with HTML and CSS through JavaScript. Example, document.getElementById, myDiv, inner HTML equals hello, world, 9. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is a lightweight data format used for data exchange between a server and a client. Example, let JSON string equals name, John, age, 30 let JSON object equals JSON.parse, JSON string, console.log, JSON object.name, 10. Error handling. Errors can be handled in JavaScript using try, catch. Example, try, let result equals risky operation, catch, error, console.log, an error occurred, plus error.message. These are the basics you need to know to start working with JavaScript. This powerful and flexible language is widely used in modern web application development.